Having completed all simulation and verification, we now have the possibility to export the simulation to be used on any computer. To run this exported simulation, it's not necessary to install the G-code machine simulation and no license is required. Let's see how it works. First of all, keep in mind that the complete simulation is exported. However, it will start at the exact point where it was when exported. So in this case, I will place the cursor on the very first line of the program. Let's now click on Save Presentation. In the Saving dialog, we have two options: Simulation File, which only includes the exported simulation, and Presentation Bundle, which includes both the simulation and the viewer application. This viewer application only needs to be installed once and can then be used to view different simulations exported from the G-code machine simulation. Let's choose Presentation Bundle. Now, extract the compressed file and open the simulation file. In this environment, you will find most of the tools available in the G-code machine simulation to support a complete process review. Tools like cross-section, stop conditions, component visibility control, and more. This is a powerful feature that can be shared with the shop floor, with customer, or used for any other purpose. With this feature, we conclude our essential training series for the G-code machine simulation. Thank you.